Hello. So this is the Juniper Procumbens Nana that I started last December, 2025. So this project is now around 9 months. And back then I didn't prune it too much. It's going to be today. Usually I don't like to do a lot on the same day, so I do not weaken the tree. And now I think it's okay to do it. So let's do this. So starting by taking out or pruning the dead leaves, the dead foliage, and I'm going to try to give that triangular shape. Okay, so I'm done. As usual, I'm going to let it be for at least half a year. I will get back to it for sure next summer, and I might readjust the wire during that time. And have a great week. Take care. See you next weekend. Bye bye.